Nizozemski film Oktenksčau je preteklo soboto v Kinodvoru pospremil buren aplavz v znakovnem jeziku. Film o razburljivem potovanju dveh deklet združuje svetova gluhih in slišečih. Režiserka Nicole van Kilsdonk je zamisel za film dobila na obisku v Zavodu za gluhe in naglušne otroke.
Actually, it started quite a while ago when I was shooting for another film on a school with small deaf children. We had a lot of help there, but I realized that I didn't know anything about it, that the two worlds don't seem to mix. So at a certain point I thought I'm going to do some more research, and the more research I did, the more I thought, oh, we have to make a film with two kids in the main parts, but not telling about how difficult it is to be deaf, but just to give them a platform in a nice, adventurous, light story.
V filmu zaživi glasbeno besedilo izmišljene skupine Worms, ki ponazarja tudi naslov filma Oktenksčau. Na novo ustvarjena kretnja spremlja dekleti vse do Pariza, kjer skleneta, da prijateljstvo premaga vse ovire, tudi tiste, zaradi katerih se razlikujemo. Med snemanjem filma je bila ves čas prisotna tolmačka, ki je režiserki pomagala pri sporazumevanju z glavnima igralkama.
Yeah, of course, in the beginning I had researched a lot, but I don't speak sign language, so I did have to find out how to direct them. So at first we had to find the girls, and in that age there weren't that many available, or that applied, or that dared, so the search for the two girls was really hard, especially for the role for Imane, the tough girl. But in the end we found them, and I think they're both really good. I think they have a really feeling about how to play for film. They see a lot of films also, so I think they're really wonderful actresses. They understood it.
Kljub temu, da sta igralki zelo nadarjeni, se bosta v filmski industriji težje prebili v glavne vloge običajnih filmov, nam je v pogovoru zaupala režiserka. Gluhi in naglušni igralci se pri doseganju svojih sanjskih poklicev kljub izredni želji in delovni vnemi soočajo s prenekaterimi ovirami.
Yeah, I think what I see, also the hearing people who see the film, especially children, but also grown-ups, they almost forget a bit that there are people who have difficulty with hearing, and they are aware all of a sudden, oh, of course they cannot hear in the train, oh, of course they have these kind of things, but also, like in the film, do not stare at people all the time when they're using sign language. And it's not that they don't understand anything, it's just that they don't hear, but maybe they feel the sound.
Jamie in Imane se na glasnem koncertu glasbene skupine približata zvočniku in nanj položita roki. Če glasbe ne slišita, jo čutita, in to je bistveno sporočilo filma. Vsi čutimo drugače. Film sam po sebi ne izobražuje, še omeni režiserka, temveč je ustvarjen zato, da pokaže močni gluhi deklici pri odkrivanju neznanih poti in tako tudi opolnomoči druge gluhe in naglušne.
So there's a lot to learn for the hearing community, but also in showing the film, I had to convince the TV company that it had to be totally subtitled, but also the sounds have to be subtitled, and they just forget. And maybe I would forget 3 years ago too. But now I'm really lobbying for this. Like, we have not forget it. Make sure that it's accessible for everybody.
Gluha Jamie med ležanjem na jasi prosi Imane, naj izključi slušni aparat. Včasih je lažje v tišini. Dekleti se zazreta v modro nebo in tako spoznamo, da je tudi popolna tišina redka in navdihujoča.